Hello everyone, as you can see this is one of the previous year questions. So let us learn how to solve this within few seconds in the exam. So let us go through the question. Here it is given rupees 2379 is divided into three parts. So this is the principal which is divided into three parts such that their amounts after. So here amounts means principal plus interest. So the amounts after 2 years, 3 years and 4 years will be equal. So these three parts, whatever it was invested after 2 years, 3 years and 4 years, this amounts that is principal plus interest will become same or equal. The rate of simple interest being 5% per annum. So rate of interest is 5% per annum in simple interest SI. And here you are asked to find out the second part. As you can see, the principal was divided into three parts. So you need to find out the second part. Before starting with the sum, one concept must be cleared regarding the simple interest. Simple interest is always given on the principal, and if the rate of interest and principal is fixed, then the simple interest will same for all years, or it will be same throughout the years given. So here as you can see, the rate of interest is 5% for all the principals invested. So in 1 year, if you get 5%, so for the first part, let the first part be x. So for the first part, so for 2 years, 5 into 2, he will get 10% interest. Similarly, as you can see, let the second part be y. Then 5% each year, so 5 into 3, total he will get 15%. So this was for the second part invested. Let the third part be z. So 5% into 4 year, so 5 into 4, he will get 20% interest total. Now tell me one thing, what is the meaning of 10%? So 10% means what? On 100 rupees, he is getting 10. So total how much he is getting? 100 was his principal plus 10. So it will be what? 100 and 10%. So this will be the amount. Now for the second part, that is y, 15%. 15% means what? On 100 rupees, he is getting 15 rupees interest. So total amount he will get, that is 115%. In the third case, he is getting 20% overall interest. 20% means what? On 100 rupees, he is getting rupees 20 as interest. So 100 plus 20, he will get 120% as the amount. According to the question it is given, if we add all these three parts, it will give you rupees 2379. That is the total principal. And it is also given, that is the amount of first year, amount of second year and amount of third year will be same. So in the first case, he is getting total 110% as the amount. So on X rupees, he is getting 110%. So this is the amount for the first part invested. According to the question, this is equal to the amount of the second part invested, that is on Y rupees, he is getting total 115% as the amount. Similarly, for the third case, the amount is Z into 120%, and this is also same or equal. Now let us cancel out here percentage and percentage. You can cancel it out. Here you can cancel by 5. So 5 into 22, you will get 110. Here if you cancel, you will get 23 if you cancel by 5. And here if you cancel by 5, you will get 24. So what you are getting? You are getting 22x equal to 23y, and this is equal to 24z. Now if you want to find out the ratio, that is x is to y is to z, what you need to do? You need to cancel out this numerator. In place of numerator, you need to bring 1. Then only you will get the ratio. For that, what you need to do? You need to find out the LCM of this 3 and divide all of this. Or if you are facing difficulty in finding out the LCM, do one thing, divide by all the coefficient of the variable, that is 22, 23 and 24. So if you divide this by 22 into 23, into 24. This also will be divided by the same numbers, that is 22 multiplied by 23 multiplied by 24. Similarly, here also you need to divide. So 22 into 23 into 24. Now cancel out. Here 22 and 22 will get cancelled. Here 23 and 23 will get cancelled. Here 24 and 24 will get cancelled. Now as you can see, again you can cancel by 2. So if you cancel this by 2, you will get here 12. If you cancel this by 2, you will get here 11. If you cancel this by 2, you will get 11. So let us multiply 23 into 12. What you will get? Now if you want to learn how to multiply this quickly, 12 into 20 will do, that is 240, plus 12 into 3, that is 36. So 240 plus 36, you will get 276. So this will be equal to y by 11 into 24. So to multiply any number by 11, just write the extreme numbers, add this 2 and write in the middle, that is 2 plus 4, 6. This will be equal to z by 23 into 11. So similarly you write 2 and 3, add 2 and 3, 5, write it over here. So now you can write the ratios, that is x is to y is to z will be equal to, in front of x you need to write 276 is to, in front of y you need to write 264, and in front of z you need to write 253. So this is the ratio of x is to y is to z. And according to the question, x plus y plus z is 2379. So if we add the ratios, that is 276 plus 264 plus 253, if you add, what you are getting? You are getting over here 793. But this one is according to our assumption, or this is the ratio. An actual value of the ratio, as you can see, it is given to be 2379. That is, if you multiply this by 3, you will get the actual value. That means with this ratio you need to multiply 3 to get actual value. Here you are asked to find the actual value of y, that is 264. So with this 264, if you multiply 3, then you will get the principal invested for the second part. If you multiply, you are getting here 828. So 828 rupees, that is option A will be your correct answer. So with this we come to the end of this particular video. If you find the content of this video helpful, do like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. And to get notification of newly uploaded important contents of our channel, you need to click on the bell icon. Till then, keep practicing, keep improving.